Hey, how's it going? Today, I'm going to go over how to draw Smile Cat from Lights Are Out, or Lights Are Off. Really great TikTok. Go check it out. I'll link the YouTube if it's on here, but let's get started, okay? Really cool, creepy character. I'm going to go over here and pull up over here for one ear of the cat. Down over here. Line over here for the top of the head. Curve. Circle for the eye. Circle for the other eye. We're going to go over here on this side, and now we're going to pull over for that ear on this side. Out, down. Down over here. Line over here on this side for the nose, the nostrils. Line over here on this side for the nostril on this side. Curve over here. Curve over here. All right, there you go. Curve underneath here. Now the creepy part. The creepy part is always the smile. I'm going to pull out over here. And I'm going to find the actual smile area. Curve around here. Up around this section. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line here for the parting of the mouth. And I'm going to draw a little curved area here. Curve, curve, curve. For kind of the texture on the lips. Pretty much right there. Pulling down over here in. Out over here down. And let's go down to the cat's body. He's going to pull down here. Line over here, pull down here. Out, curve, up. Curve underneath. Down or up. Back. Down, curve. And right here underneath. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I post on this channel daily, sorry. So it's always going to be a video, and it's always going to be like scary or monstrous or Halloween-esque, something like that. So let's go over here into the eye, by the way. We'll go over here and draw a square over here for the highlight, square over here for the highlight, and I'm going to fill in the rest of this area. Curve, curve, curve. Curve over here on this side. Line over here for the ear. And line over here for the ear. The rest of them is going to be more about like texture. So I'm drawing these thin lines here as detail. Curve over here. Curve around here. Up over here on this side. Curve along this side. Just kind of these curves to make them look a little bit more organic. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way, if you like this kind of stuff. Really, really fun time. If this video does good enough, I'll draw more from Lights Are Off. But yeah, let me know. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. I want to thank you for being so nice. And I will talk to you next time, all right? Talk to you very, very soon, and I'll see you later. Wait a second. I forgot something. Pull back. I'm going to draw the back leg over here. There you go. So it's kind of like balloon animal body. Sorry, I don't know why I said all that. If you're still here, say hi. Sorry about that. Just a couple of little curved areas on this side. And there you go. Talk to you next time. Now, I will see you next time. I'll talk to you very soon. Later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.